So, like I said, the ESEE, it was just a quick unboxing. Remember guys, this isn't a full demo yet. I just wanted a quick overview. Hi everyone, Dale here, welcome to the channel. So today we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of a new survival knife. It is a ESEE 6. ESEE is my favourite brand knife. They're just really good, really well built. So we'll do a quick unboxing. Now it's not going to be a full demo video, we'll do future videos on that, but we'll just open the box and then see what we get and see what it is. One of the quick points to note is I do like ESEE knives, and they always put these information on even on the boxes. I believe they're the only knife maker that does it, and you get the little cards inside the box too, so I'll show you that. It's just all about different signals, reading contours, stuff like that. Really good tips and information on there, even if you're traversing the river, working out the length of rope and stuff you need. So they're really good information on these boxes, and like I said, they're one of the only knife makers that do it, and you get the survival cards inside. So let's say enough of me talking about it, let's take a look at what beauty we've got in here. Remember, please hit the subscribe and click the like, only if you want to. So let's crack on and just do a quick unboxing of what we've got here from ESEE. Hey everyone, right, let's take a look at what's in the box. So this is typically what you get inside the ESEE box. Sticker. Another sticker. Another sticker. And the cards. Like I say, I love these little survival cards. They're just great little prompt cards for survival tips. This is just an unboxing, remember, so it's not a quick let's beat it to death and things like that. So let's have a look what we got. As you can see, it's totally unopened. So this particular model is the ESEE 6. Another nice little card again. Clip plate. And there's screws for the Zytel sheath. Great quality. Nice little lanyard. I love these Zytel sheaths. They always fit the ESEE knife so good. And just a thumb ramp on it. Push it off. So this is the Venom Green Model E6 survival knife. I really like these. These are 3D G10 contoured scales. The old scales used to be flat, but these are now the 3D contour. Again, really smart. I'll give you some specs on this in a minute. We'll just show you that. Now, it's not a tactical knife, it's a survival knife. I like the bright colours in a survival knife. That way, you can't really misplace it at all because it is bright. Okay. This is a great knife in the hand, great size for your hands, and the choil and the gym pin. I love that feature about these. And the coating's really good because it's 1095 steel, so the 1095 is prone to catch a bit of rust because it's not stainless, but it's easy to sharpen, and it is one of the most durable blades out there, 57 HRC. And the coating just helps prevent rust on it. So as you can see, it's nice and bright. It's not a zombie knife, it is a survival knife. That's what I like about it. So it's got a lifetime guarantee. It is made in the United States. Its blade height, so that we're talking that part there, is 3.9 centimeters. Its blade length is 16.5 centimeters. The thickness is 4.3 millimeters. Its handle height, its handle length, sorry, is 13.3. So the overall length is, math still, 29 centimeters. It weighs 335 grams, so it's not a lot at all. And like I said, it's got the G10 contoured scales with the Zytel sheath and 1095 carbon steel. So the finish coating on it is it's called a traction coating, and like I say, it's to help with the rust prevention, and it is a bushcraft survival knife with a drop point with a plain edge. So you sharpen that just like a the way of sharpening it when you have to resharpen it is just a flat secondary V edge, so about 20 degrees on your knife sharpeners. So yeah, I like it. Lanyards hold on the back, they come with the numbers. Don't know if you can zoom in on that. That's the number of the knife on the ESEE 71835. This, I love the size of the ESEE 6. I think it's a great size survival knife. So it's not a demonstration as such, it's just a quick overview. ESEE 6 Venom Green with G10 scales, contoured and traction coating. So, like I said, the ESEE 6, it was just a quick unboxing. Remember guys, this isn't a full demo yet. I just wanted a quick overview of it. It doesn't have a grounded spine, it's a rounded spine. You can, on some of my other ESEEs, I've ground a bit just in front of the jimping to strike the ferro rod. But I am a believer in using a good striker with the ferro rod, not necessarily always your knife. Okay, but we'll just do a little quick cutting up some stuff straight out of the box. You've seen me just take it straight out of the box anyways. So things razor sharp when it come out. As you can see, just the sheet twine just cuts it up like it's butter. Okay, so that's just your jute twine, and then we'll just fluff it up a bit. Does everything it's supposed to do. I do like ESEE. I love ESEE because I am an ESEE fanboy, as you may tell. So that's the fibres all fluffed up, ready to take a spark. Put that in there for now. And then this is just some Program Tech fire strip roll, and like I say, it just cuts up effortlessly, look. Okay, again with this we just fluff it up. You've seen how it breaks the fibres up, nice and easy. I love the bright colours like that. Like I said, it's not a zombie knife as such, people class it as that, but it's a survival knife. It's non-tack, that's why I love the green and the oranges. Nice tight curls on that. So that there is just a quick overview of the ESEE 6 Venom Green survival knife. One of my favourites. I've got the ESEE 5 in green, but it's not the Venom Green. And the custom 3D skills are really good. The G10. ESEE 6. Have it guys, that was just a quick unboxing of the ESEE. Nothing fancy. Hope that was alright for you. Like I said, I'm not going to do big demos on this in this video. It was just an unboxing just to show you straight out the packet. I love the ESEE. I think it's like one of the most versatile survival knives. I like the size of it, I like the choil, I like the jimping, I like the 3D contoured scales, and like I said, I love the colour. It's not a tactical knife, this one, that's why it is venom green. It's a survival knife. You want to be seen. Now we can get custom sheaths for it, and we get them made by loads of different companies out there now. So price on this, it's around about £175. Just watch out for deals. I got a good deal from Jackal Firearms in the UK. They get them shipped from the Knife Connection, so I really like it. But yeah, the average price on these are around about £175. Is it worth it? Yeah, of course it's worth it. A good knife is worth the money. It is my most expensive knife, I'll be honest with you. I don't have big branded knives, but ESEE to me is like the best. What would you call it? A budget knife? A budget brand? I think you'd call it like an intermediate, but honestly, for the quality and for the price, I think it's one of the best ones out there. Obviously tops are similar priced, and similar quality too, but for me it's ESEE. So thanks for watching everyone. Like I said, it was just a quick unboxing. If you liked it, click the like. If you like the video, click the subscribe, and we'll keep them going. So I'm trying to post more regular now. We'll see how that goes as the grass is growing and the season's starting to get busy again. So I don't hold out much hope for one video a week, but hey, you never know. So as always guys, please stay safe out there, and let's just look after each other and see how things go. Stay safe. Del out.